machinery company live show. So this is Kenny, and we have here.
I'm Violet. Nice to meet you.
Alright, nice to meet you guys. So I want you guys to type 1 if you're here on this live show. Alright guys, keep it coming, keep it coming. I want to see in the chat section below, you got to type 1.
Yes. Okay, wait for you coming. No, just okay. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So type 1, type 1.
Please type 1. You.
Alright, so please make sure you share this video, share it with your friends, share it with your partners in business, and let them come over to our live show platform. The live show has started right now. Okay, so we're waiting for guys, so please, if you're here, type 1 below, type 1 in the chat section below, type 1, type 1. We want to see it.
Yes. Wait a moment. Type 1. Okay, please introduce what are we doing today?
Alright, so guys, today we are going to talk about the single beam non-woven machine, right? Because this machine is actually mainly used for packaging products such as shopping bags, shoe covers, and also suit covers, clothes covers. These are most of the applications which these non-woven fabrics are being used, which are produced by single beam. Alright?
Yes. So. Anyone coming? Okay, if you coming, we will move on to introduce next part.
Alright, so actually Zhejiang Yanpeng is one of the leading manufacturers of non-woven machine, and actually they've been in operation for over 15 years right now. They started in 2008 and is still operating right now. Over the course of the years, they've managed to be at least the #1 manufacturer of non-woven production line here in China. And also I heard that they've been able to serve at least 200 customers here in China and also abroad,
over the world.
All over the world, such as North America,
Egypt, and
Korea also in Asia,
Vietnam,
wow.
And Thailand.
Oh, okay. So all over the world, they all have customers, and they've shipped a lot of non-woven production lines to those places. And right now, over 600 production lines have been set up. Right?
Of course, we more than 600 lines.
Wow, that's amazing.
All over the world.
And that's amazing. That's amazing. All right, guys. So that's a quick introduction about Yanpeng. So right now, we are going to go and show you the single S non-woven production line, because that's the reason why we are here. So guys, if you are here, I want you to type 1 in the comment section below, and the chat section below. Type 1, and also make sure to share this live stream. Share this live stream with people. Share it with your friends. Share it with your business partners, and let them come over to our live show. All right, guys, let's go.
Okay. Please follow us during the live show. We will have some surprise for you at the end of the live show.
Yes, guys. Also, remember to stick to the end of this live show, because we have some promotion and some activity for you guys to partake in.
Okay, let's go. Now we are moving on to our factory.
Yeah, we'll move on to the factory.
Oh, the car is coming. It's coming. Okay. Let's go. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, that's nice day.
Okay. Just now, a new machine to our customers.
So you can pan the camera over there.
We ship it. Bye bye.
So actually, guys, that's actually one of our machines that has just been transported to the customer's address, because right now they place the order on the machine, and one of our machines has actually been transported to the customer's address. So right now we are going to go and take a look at the factory. We're going to go and take a look at the factory where some of the parts are being manufactured. All right, guys, so let's go. So please, once again, share this live stream and make sure that you subscribe. Okay, it's important you subscribe and you share the live stream, and I want to see you put a thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay,
and share more.
Yeah.
And follow us.
Yeah.
As in the end of the live show, we
it's a secret, guys. It's a secret, guys. So
Yes.
you gotta stick to the end of the video, all right?
Okay.
You have to stick to the end of the video.
Okay, come on. Okay, now we are going to our main factory to produce fabricating machine. The main parts were produced by ourselves by Yanpeng.
Yeah. All right, guys. So let's go. So now I wanna ask something here.
Yes.
So please, can you please, share with us, what kind of
This workshop is CNC machining center, and its machine is produce the parts, and in order to increase our precision of the machine, we invest 20 million to purchase the CNC machine and set up in our factory. This is very important for our machine.
Wow, absolutely. That's amazing, guys. So, actually, this is the CNC machine which they use for actually processing this part. So, I want to ask, because, we invested, of course, a lot of money in this CNC. What is this sort of machine you can use to assemble this part? Why do you use CNC to manufacture parts?
The quality of our machine is very important. So we purchase CNC machine. We don't want to assemble one part of the parts of the machine. So we too much processing the whole steel plate of the machine. So we ensure our quality.
So, absolutely, guys, the CNC machine is actually used to manufacture parts because they want to manufacture and supply customers high quality machine. So actually, the CNC machine actually manufactures accurate and precise parts of the machine which are used for the building of this fabric making machine. So let's take a look at the other CNC machine and see some of the functions which they do.
Okay, if you want to know about the machine, you can send an inquiry to us.
Yes.
And send what you want to ask to us. We will introduce our machine and our battery.
So guys, please, if you have any question, please put it in the chat section below. And you can also contact some of our salespeople. And you can also send us an email. We will reply and we will get back to you. Okay? So please, if you have any questions or anything to do, you can just put it in the chat section below.
Yes, they are working on the machine parts. Okay, come on. And the machine is every machine is customized when you place an order. Okay.
Oh, that's nice. Wow, I can actually see that there are some parts that are being made by the CNC machine.
Yes.
Wow. So like when some of the parts are being made, is it like they doing like one steel? Just because we were talking to you the other time about how when the CNC machine is manufacturing the parts, they don't use two parts, just only on one. Why is that? Why can't they assemble maybe one part and some parts together?
In order to increase the accuracy. You know the accuracy?
The accuracy.
Yes.
Okay.
And then to make the machine smoothly. And it can ensure our machine quality. Quality is very important for our machine. Right?
Wow, that's actually very amazing. So one of the main reasons why they actually use this also is just to ensure the accuracy and to make sure that the non-woven production plant, of course, is running smoothly. So that's the reason why they actually decided to use this machine to produce such kind of parts.
Okay.
It's like we have some of our engineers working here.
这个闪，你看人家这个一直在闪。
Wait a moment.
OK。
Kumar. Oh, you cannot hear? Can you hear right now?
Yeah。
Can you hear me?
可是它这个怎么又是不能控制的
Kumar,
Yeah.
can you hear me right now?
Okay. We need to hold it. Okay.
Kumar, can you hear me now?
The machine is running, so maybe a little.
Okay. Oh, sorry, pardon. I think it's because right now what you hear right now, so it's a little bit noisy here. Alright. And we have some of our engineers how some of the parts are being made and how some of the machine parts are being processed. Alright. So we have some of our engineers here that they have a lot of years of experience, working and handling this high quality CNC machine.
Yeah.
As you can see, here's one part, because as I said, can you show the machine?
Yeah.
So as you can see, like some of the machines are being processed here right now, and this is absolutely amazing. So stuff right there. What's happening? Alright guys, so let's go ahead.
Yes.
I do like this line, the whole CNC on the other side to see what's in the factory. So, okay, guys, right now we are going to the other side of the factory to see what's going on there. Okay, follow me, let's go. And also, okay guys, I want you to put a thumbs up. If you're feeling this live video in here, I want you to put a thumbs up, okay? So I know that you're here. Put a thumbs up. And also, if you have any question, please put it in the chat section below. And we will reply your questions. Because now we'll talk about the CNC machine. If you have any questions regarding the CNC machine or about our parts or everything that we talked here earlier on, I will reply and I will get back to you. So please keep the questions coming.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, so now that we are on the other side of the side of workshop where
Yes.
so I have to say this is also another CNC machine.
Yes.
But it's different from this one.
This one is the machine is processing the part, and this one is for spare part. Also, just small part for non-one fabric making machine. Okay.
Wow. So basically, guys, this machine right here that you see is for manufacturing spare parts. Spare parts for the non-woven fabrics, like the making machine, right? And this one is for actually manufacturing the big parts of non-woven fabric making machine, which I find really amazing. I mean, this is the first time I'm actually, getting to see and experience this kind of factory and lines. It's really amazing here. And most of the engineers are really nice. They're really good people, and they have a lot of years of experience handling these things, as I can see and I can tell.
Yes.
Alright.
They are working. What parts do they think so that you can see this part?
Okay.
I will tell you what are they and what are
Asking how many persons working at the company right now?
about
89 men.
1889.
89 men. There's a limit like your question. 89 people are working right now in the factory. So this is one part I believe that is made by
Yes.
you.
Yes, by us. By you.
By Yanpeng.
Yes, by one part of our fabric making machine is here. Web curtain. Web curtain is okay.
asking how many lines do you produce each year? So we produce actually 60 to 70 lines a year. But our capacity is 10 lines a month. So remember, that's the answer to your question. We produce at least 60 to 70 lines a year and 10 lines a month. So guys, as Valen was sharing with us, this is the web cover, right?
Yes.
So it actually absorbs the filaments of the PP material and turns them into okay, so the filament goes through the web format, and the web format goes through the calendar, and we call it fabric roll, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You know so much. I think you
Because I'm actually interested and I also love the non-woven production industry. So these are all web formats, right?
Yes.
So
They are waiting for customers. Waiting for signature.
So actually, most of these parts that you see here are actually being produced based on order. So they are waiting and ready to be shipped. If you were here, like at the beginning of the video, beginning of our live show, we showed you one of our machines getting shipped out, right?
Yes.
Getting shipped out to one of our customers who just placed an order and we finished manufacturing all the parts and shipped it to him.
Yes.
Guys, it's really amazing.
You can see, okay. Okay, don't leave our left shoe and we will have some surprise.
Alright.
Okay. Let's go.
This production line actually it is PP based, polypropylene, spunbond. Yes, we are Yanpeng. We are a professional manufacturer of non-woven production line. So if you are interested in the non-woven production line, or you have friends or you know someone who wants to go into this business, feel free to share this with your friends, share our live show to them and introduce them to our company and let them come here and talk with us, and we will answer them and give them the best suggestion for this business, and we will also supply. Or if you know someone who is actually in the business and needs a specific type of machine or wants to customize it in a certain type of way, you can also let them contact us. You use the email address below. We have professional sales people to answer and to cater to you 24/7. So please don't forget to do that. Also share our live show one more time. It's really important, and subscribe to us. Alright, so let's move on. So Alex, I'd like to ask you, that over there looks like a web format, but I don't think it is. Oh, the winder. We're going to take a closer look at this, guys.
Yes.
Come on, wow. So this is the winder. Where we collect the fabric rolls, okay?
Yes.
So when after all the process and everything, this is where the final product is being collected, and it's being collected in rolls. So I think we have a couple of blends here. Can you see your both hands? What's the purpose of this?
This one is, that one is for somewhere.
Oh, I use SMS is meltblown, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, and melt.
Wow, that's amazing. Wow, that's amazing. So, wow, that's amazing. Right? Wow, 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 that's amazing, that's amazing. So we have a couple of them here. Also waiting for delivery, right?
Yes.
Based on customer's request.
Yes. It's a customer.
Oh.
Customize.
Wow, that's amazing. So guys, also apart from PP, we also have PET and also PLA line. So PLA line you can use also PPT and PET, and you can also use PLA. Okay, if you want to use non-woven fabric. So all these I Yanpeng also do all of this. Okay. So what is this? This is also I think winder.
Just
Okay.
the same.
Winder.
Yes.
Winder. Okay, so Mehmet is asking what is the max diameter for the winder, high-speed winder. The max flow diameter is 1.6 1,600 millimeters.
Yeah.
So basically 150 to 500 meter per minute. So Mehmet, that is your answer to the question which you asked. So the winder is high speed, I think, right?
High speed. This one is high speed.
High speed winder.
About 300 minutes per minute.
Oh, 300 meters per minute. Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's a high speed winder.
Yeah.
300 meters per minute. That means it collects 300 meters of fabric per minute.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
If
That's
I get
amazing.
working speed say 250 minutes.
Wow. So these parts also are made, these are the major parts made by the CNC machine.
Yes, of course.
Wow. Wow. Precision. I can see what you were telling me. This is actually nice. Absolutely good.
Yes.
What's the premises?
This is the web cover.
Oh, it's also the word from
Yes.
also
Web cover. Point two.
Violet,
Yes.
this is also a wet former.
Yes.
That one down is also a wet former.
Yes.
What is the difference between the two?
We have two kinds of machine.
I guess it's also the wet former, right?
Yes.
Guys, I feel like we have a couple of web formers on this side, and I think that's it for this side of the factory. Let's go on to the other side, to the last part of the factory, and let's see what awaits us there. So before we go, I want to take a minute and say, guys, please once again, share this live stream right now. Invite your friends, invite your business partners, invite your boss, your colleagues, everyone to come on our live show, okay?
To let more people know about non-woven fabric machine.
Yes, anyone who is into the non-woven fabric industry business, please share this live show with them and let them come onto our live show. So,
You can see some cell plate and some spare parts.
wow. So that means this is actually absolutely really important, guys. So the shockproof platform, the shockproof platform actually is used for assembling some of the parts for the non-woven production line. Why? To reduce the error, to make sure the precision is accurate, the precision is right, and the accuracy of the equipment also is really, really high. So this is one of the reasons why they choose to build this shock-proof platform, because I mean the ground isn't that smooth. Okay, all right.
Okay, let's go.
So guys, want to welcome you also to the Yanpeng live show. Please share with your friends, share with your bosses, share with your colleagues, let them come, and also subscribe and also email us for any inquiries that you want. If you are interested or you do need some advice regarding to the non-woven industry business you want to start, please feel free to contact us. We have professional sales people who are there 24/7 with the best possible quality service you can ever think or imagine. We will reply and we will get to you. Okay? So, we are doing almost the last part. So, I think what part that is
and then to collect the white performance.
okay. Wow.
Okay.
Wow. So I can see some tags on the machine. I can see some tags on the machine. So why do you have these tags on the machine?
This is quality certification.
Wow.
If we finish the one pass, we will invite our quality department to change the pass. If the machine is perfect, we will give them a card
Wow.
to make sure that it can send to our customer.
Wow.
If they don't get this card, we can send to our customer.
Wow. So this is amazing. I mean, each and every part that is being produced here, they make sure that they get a quality certification. Even for the fact that it's being produced here, but they still need to get a quality certification to ensure that all the parts that are being manufactured here are of high quality before they can ship them to the customer. So I want to say you should be rest assured. Be it you want to purchase some spare parts from Yanpeng, or you want to purchase a whole production line, you have to be rest assured that you are getting quality, high quality, professional, non-woven production line. That is what I want you to know and have in mind. And also, I want to ask, because you are also want to do this kind of project. What is the duration? What is the duration, durability of your machine? How long can it last? Because I know of some people that after some time, the spare part is not okay. They need to change. They need to maybe buy one part or the other. How worried should I be? I need to know how long this machine can last.
Okay, let me tell you a story.
Okay.
One customer in a local window, some customer of our factory buy of our machine 10 years ago. It's still working well.
Wow.
Yes, it's okay. Still produce number fabric for this customer.
Wow, that's amazing. So even after 10 years, like a decade, the machine is still working properly. So that's to say that the durability of the machine is actually quite amazing. I mean, if I'm going to invest and buy a machine that after 10 years it's still working, this is amazing.
就是有一点不太清楚，太吵了。
Let's move on to the
照
other
他们
part.
上班就在做。
Platform for assembling parts. So guys, just as she said, you can see some of the parts here are being assembled on the shop platform, and you can see this machine also here, which is to ensure the accuracy of the parts that are being manufactured. This is absolutely amazing. This is amazing.
Yes.
This is amazing. So what is this? Can you share with us? Because it's not like the other things we've seen there. Yeah, they are different somehow.
This part of the slider.
manufacturer.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can have whatever one, any one by this part.
Wow. So apparently this is the slitting machine. This is the slitting machine which we use for slitting the fabric.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, can you hear me, guys?
假设我是听不到。
Okay. Now, can you hear me?
Guys, can you hear me?
假
Still
如我用
working?
Yeah. Okay, come on. Let's go.
Oh, all right. Okay, let's move on. Okay, cool. So, guys, what we said, oh, that's the slitting machine, right? So, actually, the slitting machine can actually slit the produce non-woven fabric, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's
太远了，是吗？
so most of the parts that are being produced here in this showroom are the slitting machine. Absolutely right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
Some cannot hear what we said, so we need to louder.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, please, if you have any questions or if you have any misunderstanding, please type in the chat section below. Feel free to talk to us. We will go over it again.
Yes.
Okay? We will go over it again.
Okay.
So, for the people coming in, for the new guys coming in, this is Zhejiang Nonwoven Machine Company. They are a professional manufacturer and supplier of non-woven fabric production line. Okay? And this is the end of this floor.
Yes. So we will introduce the first of all main traffic workshop for our customers, our brands.
Yes, absolutely.
So at this time, I think many brands want to know how POS works.
Yeah, absolutely. So guys, next on this live show, we are going to show you just a rough estimate of how the CSS works, how the production line operates. So, thank you, guys.
Of course, we can shoot. Yes,
Alright.
we can shoot.
So, can you hold
So let's find a quiet place
Yes.
to introduce the single S to our customers, our brands.
Oh, okay, yeah. I see you, Ananias. Thanks to. You're welcome, Ananias. And at the moment, we will get back to you for that. Will you show the line when it's running? Not today, but we'll get back to you. Of course, we can. So right now, I'm going to take you guys and show you just a rough way out the single beam non-woven production line. So before we get back to it, let's talk and tell our customers and our friends and audience what are the products we use for.
The fabric we produce single S is pension able for shopping bags.
Shopping bags.
Agriculture is just like some floor about protect plant, and then some mask.
Okay. So let me answer your question, Mehmet. You are asking what is the width and height of the production line. So for the single beam non-woven production line, the length and height is 15 by 8.6, 11 meters. So mean it is 15 meters long, 8.6 meters wide, and 11 meters tall. So that is the answer to your question.
Yes. Okay, let's move on. And we will introduce the working process.
Okay, so now guys, so this here, right here, is the material batch. So I hope can they see? Can they see this? All right, so guys, this is the rough plan of how it works. So this here is the material batch where you put your PP raw material for single S. So you put your PP material here, it goes right through into the extruder. So what the extruder does is it melts your PP raw material. Okay, it's going to melt your PP raw material. And you might be wondering, if I want to change the color of my fabric, here right here you have the additive batch. You can also add some coloring, change the color of your fabric to any kind of color, be it blue, red, yellow, purple, whatever color, you can add it here. So this is the additive batch. So it goes into the extruder. The extruder will melt it, and now here it will go through filtration to filter out all the impurities so that it doesn't messes up our product. Then after that, it moves to the spring box, okay, to the spinning box. So here in the spinning box, the PP raw material is turned into filaments, and they are being cooled down and stretched. As you can see thin lines. So these are the thin lines of the PP raw material. These are the thin lines of the PP raw material, the filament. So after the filament comes down here, it goes straight here to the web, to the web former, here, right here, to the web former. So after the web former collects the filament, it goes straight to the calendar. All right, the calendar here collects the web of fabrics that are being formed. So after that, for the final process, the winder is going to collect the fabric rolls. Yeah, it's going to collect the fabric rolls. So just as I'm saying, show them this picture. So the final fabrics are going to be collected here, and this is the slitting machine. The fabrics are collected, and this will slit the fabrics into the sizes which you want. It will slit the fabrics into the sizes of which you want. So guys, that is just a quick and a rough, walkthrough of how the single S works. So for more inquiries, for more details about this single S, for people who are wondering, I want to do the packaging business, I want to make shopping bags, materials for shopping bags, I want to make materials for face masks, I want to make materials for agricultural products such as seeds and fertilizers, you can actually inbox us. We have our email down there. Contact our email, we will reply to you. We will advise you and talk with you on the best possible production line to use for your business. So that is a rough view of how the single S non-woven production goes. So before we move further, stick to the end of this live show because we have a live promotion for you guys. And also, share this live show with your friends. Please, share it with your friends, share it with your bosses, share it with your colleagues. Right? Let them come. Anyone who is interested in the live non-woven fabric business, be it someone who is into bags, anyone who is interested, share with them and let them come over to our live show. Alright? For the next live show, you have to meet us here on March 28th of March. We are also going to be having another live show where we will be discussing, going into more details on how to choose a suitable non-woven production line. Okay, how to choose, I want to do a business, I want to do this that has to do with non-woven production line. How to choose a suitable production line, which kind of line to choose for those who want to embark on this big project. Okay? You want to make sure that whatever business you're doing, you are making profit. You want to make sure that whatever business you're doing, there is a demand for your product in actually that country, wherever you are. So this is actually, we are going to be touching on these topics. So if you want to catch us next time, we are online. Okay?
Let's go.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, come on. I can find it.
Almost
right?
Yeah, what surprise?
Oh yeah, guys, we have a surprise for you guys. We have a surprise for you guys. Just stick to the end of the video. So I want to talk about how's the situation right now. You know, because there is COVID cases everywhere. Right now, there's a lot of COVID and coronavirus, like everywhere, all of that. So what is the situation like here? People want to be safe because I order for a machine.
Yes.
I need to be safe. I need to be sure that
Yeah.
people who are working on the machine.
我不能离开他们，不然会晃
So
的。
can you please share with our audience what's the situation in this place?
We are very safe. You can see we don't wear mask and we
Absolutely, I can tell.
stay healthy,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And we can, if you place order, we can deliver it as scheduled time.
Okay, so I want to ask, having looking at all these machine parts, right?
Yes.
So if I want my machine to be customized in a certain type of size or height or weight, can you also manufacture that kind of product?
Yes, of course, we can customize the width for you. We usually standard width of the manufacturing machine is 1.6,
Okay.
2.4, 3.2. If you want to buy machines such as 2.4, 2.2, right? We can. If you place order to us, we can customize the machine for you.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. So guys, basically the machine also, if you want a particular size, it can be manufactured and actually be customized according to what you ordered and paid for. Also, Violet, I would also try to know, if I'm going to buy this machine, how long will it take? Okay,
Yes.
Violet, how long will it take if I order for a machine, for instance, or if any of our customer order for a machine, how long will it take to ship it to the place?
For single S, it takes 3 months.
Okay,
For double S, it takes 4 months.
4 months.
3S, it also takes 4 months.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, wow. So okay.
More details, please inquire.
Oh, okay. So for more details, you heard. For more details, you can make an inquiry. Okay. So I want to ask, let's say I'm in a hurry because the demand for the production line is really high in my country. So I want to get this as soon as possible. Can you also hasten the time, make it quickly? Can you make the delivery time shorter?
If you want to get the machine quickly, so please place order. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So guys, you heard that. If you really want to go into this business and if you really want to place this machine, place your order so you can get it on time and start producing your machine. Okay. Okay, now.
It's okay.
It's
It
fine.
doesn't matter.
So actually, guys, what happened was we were supposed to actually show you guys our coupon.
Yeah.
So actually, the wheel here is actually quite strong and you will find it. So basically, for you guys who are here right now on our live show, there is actually a discount. So right now, what you need to do to participate in the discount for our machine and also spare part is you take a screenshot right now in this live show. You take a screenshot and send it to our email. Send it to our email. We'll put our email address down below. So take a screenshot right now for our live show. So for the main machine, for the big production machine, you get a $5,000 cut. You get a $5,000 cut on the machine. If you order for a whole plant, be it a single S, double S, 3S, SMS, you get a $5,000 cut on the machine. And for all other spare parts, for $100, for a $1,000 purchase upwards, you get $50. For $2,000, you get $100. For $3,000, you get $200. Just upwards like that. So please take a screenshot right now and place your order. And we want to ask how long or how long is the validity? How long is the validity of this coupon, of this discount? How long is can I use this coupon? Up to the end of this month's March, the 31st of March. That's when this coupon is valid. It will expire on this date. So you want to be sure to place your order within this time frame, and you can get a discount price. You can get a coupon for ordering this machine. I think that's the surprise they have for you guys. So,
Okay, we give customers 1 minute more. So please hurry up to take a screenshot.
Yeah, guys, take a screenshot right now.
Yes, only 1 minute. After 1 minute, we will finish this time live show.
Yeah. So guys, please, take a screenshot right now.
Yeah.
Take a screenshot it right now. We give you guys some minutes. So please take a screenshot.
Okay, let's talk again. Next time we have our live show about when we will restart the next live show is.
So once again, our live show is on March 28th. The next time we're meeting here is March 28th, and the topic, let me say it again, how to choose a suitable non-woven production line. Okay, and next on the live show, I'm going to be having one of our professionals here, named Jack. Yeah, so I'm going to be here with Jack. So next time on the live show, so you don't want to miss it. You want to stay tuned, and also stay tuned to our channel. So subscribe and share our live show. It's quite important, okay?
Okay, if you have any other question about Nonwoven fabric making machine or our factory or Zhejiang Yanpeng Nonwoven fabric making machine, if you have any question, you can send us inquiry and contact us after live show.
Yeah, amazing, absolutely amazing. So if you have any questions at all, just as you said, please contact us. Any question regarding non-woven, industry, non-woven fabric making machine, just inbox us. We will reply and we will get back to you.
Our professional team is waiting for you.
Yeah, we are waiting for you. Always ready, 24/7. We are there. Okay.
Yes.
So now we have come to the end of our live show. So before we end, we're gonna ask you guys to just type Yanpeng down in the chat section below. All right. We are gonna ask you guys to type Yanpeng. Guys, please, I wanna see you type Yanpeng. We're going to end our live show.
Okay, it's been about 15 minutes ago. So we need to finish this live show. Yeah?
Yeah. So now, please type.
Yeah. Okay, finish.
Okay. So we're gonna finish our live show very soon right now. Okay. So we're gonna count down 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna end the live show. Okay.
Okay.
1.
Last time, if you have any question, please send us. Okay? Now we're going to finish.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Mehmet is asking what is the GSM rate for the next slide?
About 10 to 150 GSM. 10 to 150. Okay? Any question?
I think Mehmet, your question has been answered, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so from 9 or 10 to 150 GSM for the S line, for the single beam production line.
Yes.
Alright guys, so if there's another question, please keep them coming in. Keep asking questions. Okay, we'll give you guys a few minutes. Keep asking questions.
If you have any question, please say. Okay, if you have any question after live show, we will keep online waiting for your message. Please send the message to us. Yes.
So now we have come to the end of the live show, and we are going to end our live show right now on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bye bye. See you next time.
See you next time.
这个话
做了吗？